The first story in our new series, Remote Control, the Future of Work.
A recent poll showed that 68% of people across the country would choose to work remotely.
That's right, this is not a joke. Remote Start for your BMW is here. In this video, we're gonna go over the basics, how it works, the benefits of it, and how to get it for your BMW. This kit is compatible with most F and G series BMWs made after 2012, but for a full list of compatible vehicles, check the description of this video to see if your BMW is on the list. To start your vehicle, hit your lock button slowly 3 times within 2 seconds and your vehicle will start. To stop it at that same speed, hit your trunk button 3 times. Now, if you don't want to stop it yourself, you could program your vehicle to stop running after 10, 20, 30, or 40 minutes of runtime. These times are great depending on the temperature outside because, let's face it, on those cold days you're going to want to get into a nice warm car, and on those hot days you're going to want to get into a nice cool car. So this feature allows you to get into your vehicle at your desired temperature with your engine all warmed up too. Simply set your desired temperature before you get out of your car that day or night, and the next time you start your car from afar, well, the interior of your vehicle will get to that desired temperature. And hey, that means no more frosted windshields for our friends up north. And just how far will this work? About 230 feet. This will vary depending on the environment you're in, but the signal from your fob will travel through walls and windows. There are quite a few different features you could change and program yourself using this remote start module, such as windows going up and down, how long your engine idles before turning off, and so on. For this section, we're going to talk about just that, how long your engine idles before turning off, and how you can change that. You have the option to have your engine idle for 10, 20, 30, or 40 minutes. We'll show you how to program it for 10 minutes, but to not be bombarded with what seems like PlayStation 2 cheat codes, just refer to our detailed instructions you'll get when you order this kit from us. To have your engine idle for 10 minutes before turning off, while the engine is off, open your driver door and driver window, then on your key fob, hit unlock, lock, unlock, and the lights will flash twice to confirm the setting has been applied. Changing the times to 20, 30, or 40 minutes requires a different combination of door and window positions. As mentioned, you'll find that in the PDF instructions we provide. The following features aren't related to starting your car remotely, but are some cool features you could take advantage of with this remote start kit installed in your vehicle. Now, they're all activated the same way with the same button combination on your key fob and a different window and door combination, but these can also be deactivated with a different combination on your key fob. Like engine idle times, let's show you how to activate and deactivate one of these features, and to keep things simple, you could find all of the rest in the PDF instructions we supply. If you want your windows to close when you lock your car, just lower your driver window, then on your fob press unlock, lock, unlock. Your lights will flash 3 times to confirm this has been activated. To turn it off, lower the driver window again and press unlock, trunk, unlock, and the lights will flash 2 times. Some of the other features you can activate and deactivate with this remote start kit are closing your sunroof, the welcome seat, and folding mirrors. Check your PDF instructions for the combinations to do this. While having remote start in your car is great, there are a couple things you need to know before using it. Some locations around the world have laws against idling your car, so remote starts are actually prohibited. Make sure you check your local laws before you buy. You also want to make sure you use this in a well-ventilated area. Never start your car inside a building or something like your closed garage. The fumes from a running engine can be deadly. Now that you know how it works, what does it take to install it? The kit consists of 2 module boxes and some harnesses that will vary depending on your vehicle. One is the main control module and the other will contain your second key fob that is vital for the product to work. Installation does involve removing some panels and repinning, but we offer detailed step-by-step instructions for each vehicle we offer the kit for, and some have full installation videos. Check the description for a link to a full installation video, but if you have any more questions regarding or during the installation, our support team is always ready to help. As mentioned, you will need a second key fob installed in your vehicle at all times to ensure that this product will function. Doing this will let your onboard computer recognize a BMW key fob inside the vehicle to allow engine activation. And no, don't worry, no one will be able to start your car with only the key fob inside the vehicle. Now, if you don't have a second key fob to sacrifice for the installation, you can add one to your order. Now, I know some of you may still be wondering about the second key fob in the box part, but I do want to stress to you that with this alone, there is no way that this can be used to start your BMW. The module only starts the engine when the signal from the first key is caught after pressing the lock on the key 3 times. The second key, inside the box, is powered for a short time to be recognized by the car and let the engine start. It is absolutely not possible to start the engine with only the key inside the box, as it doesn't contain a battery. There are more safety features as well. If you use the key blade to enter the car will shut off. If the windows are down and you use the remote start, if you attempt to open the car with the inside handles before unlocking the car, the engine will also turn off. It's also only possible to turn the engine off while the shifter is in park. For BMWs with an alarm system, the remote start kit will reactivate the car's alarm briefly by unlocking and relocking the vehicle. And that is the Bimmer Tech Remote Start Kit for your BMW. Do you want this for your BMW? Of course you do! Check the description of this video to see if your vehicle is on the list, or head on over to our website and enter your VIN to check compatibility. We are constantly adding new vehicles to the list, so make sure you check back. Do you want more tips and tricks videos, product reviews, installs, and so much more related to BMWs, Minis, and Supras? Of course you do! Make sure you subscribe and don't forget to ring that bell. And hey, check us out on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok as well. Thanks for watching.